On this episode of $1,000 Car Guy, we need a donor for mock-up.
Yeah. You want me to model? Okay, now what?
I don't know. I just wanted a picture showing that we did something.
We did something?
Well, Andrew spent
we
about
got it jacked up.
Yeah, Andrew spent about a half hour putting these jacks ridiculously under it.
I laid down to take a nap when you started filming, so.
But yeah, so we got the motor out of the Suburban, sorta. It's at least over the Suburban. All right, let's yank it out.
All right. You know how everybody's got their key move that they always do? Yours is dumping engines on the stand. Drain.
Like, you're not wrong, but I guess that's it.
Alright, we're going down to the other side. Is that
Another piece of the puzzle done. Hey. So now that we got our mock-up motor out, it's time to put the transmission, transfer case, and drive shafts into the Monte Carlo.
I just seen that son of a bitch that pulled the motor out, cut the power steering line.
So we're gonna slide it in as much as possible, and then we're gonna block it up on this dolly, and then we're gonna bring the engine over and then try and mate them up, because there's probably no chance that they'll slide in together.
I literally forgot that we put the front of the frame on. That was me. I cut that line.
I don't think so. Oh yeah,
this
you
is
did.
The Bravada.
Yeah, you're right.
It. Yeah, I'm like, that stupid son of a bitch. Okay. Time. Oh, we already fucked up.
So we had to jack the body up to get clearance. We'll see how that goes.
Oh, we got Andrew over here struggling. Taking the old motor mount off. Is that it? That's all you wanted to show him?
In fact, while I was away for no less than a half hour, what was it? He went ahead and did all the work, got everything lined up, even bolted in the drive shaft. Wait, drive shafts?
No, the other one I got pulled out, but it's sitting on the cross member. So.
It's really far back.
Wait, here's the thing. The face of the transmission is the end of the oil pan. So if we grab an oil pan, there we go.
Oh, then let's go get the oil pan.
Yeah.
That's a smart idea. So we used a oil pan from a truck 4x4 that was already off, so to figure out where the hump is going to sit inside the bay, and it looks like it's going to potentially fit. So in order to make our lives a little bit easier and to help balance the motor, we're pulling off all the front accessories, because honestly they're probably not going to go on anyway.
I like it. Yeah, did nothing. Alright.
So we threw on the other oil pan after making a little clearance mark.
Hopefully it fits. If not, we'll be doing it again. Wow, that oil filter is candy crushed.
You say candy crushed?
Yeah. Nice. Lower down the trans a little bit. Gotcha.
Got him.
Oh, with the oil pan
sitting on it.
Oh, the oil pan. me see that swappy mount.
Let's go back when we've got something to show you.
Come on, little buddy.
Oh. Oh. He's gonna fly right in your mouth.
What? He is impenetrable.
Okay, as you guys can see, we did actually get a couple bolts for the motor mounts in on both sides. We also managed to get the transmission bolted to the engine with a couple bolts. Not all of them, just like 2. And what we kept having happen was the transfer case was hitting the floor right underneath the driver's seat. Don't feel too bad, because the seat was only being held in by 1 bolt out of like 6.
Yeah, and it was the corner that we cut out.
Yeah. So, yeah, we got a little access window, and you can see down there just how close the transfer case is, but it's going to get a lot closer. So we are about to lower the body back down onto the frame and see how much hits.
You excited?
Very.
Cool.
Let's do it.
Alright, it does.
It does.
Let me think about it for a minute. No!
So, it's kind of there. It has a ways to go. So something is still holding things up, and the differential...
Shoulder frame.
Well, I'm not sure that that's not how it was. I don't know.
No, the body needs to go down some.
So we got to look at that more. We made some more relief cuts inside. It's definitely better, but it can still get better than what it is. The transfer case is like 1 inch away from the ground, so it's definitely got to come way up more. Also, we're starting to look at suspension stuff, because do you want to show them what happens when you push on the back? Yeah.
Oh man. So if you stand here, and you look down the car, the front wheels are out like 2 inches more than the back. That's what it looks like, at least.
So we got to put spacers back here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, unfortunately, this is where we're going to end. This was a very, very long day. This is like our 15th hour working today. It doesn't look like a whole lot, but you got to think about it. The engine and transmission are technically in and mounted, but we need to finesse the floor.
Started off in a Suburban this morning, so.
True. Yeah, you guys saw it. You were there. Yeah, underneath ground clearance, there isn't any.
Not yet.
But we'll make some. Because regardless of how much... You'll like this. I want your expression, Leon. Regardless of how little transmission tunnel is left, this thing's going to be on the ground.
Yeah. That whole tunnel's just going to be like raised up.
Yeah, whatever.
I
Who
bet
cares?
you it could be in like the front drive shaft area.
Oh, that's true.
That's probably why it's this side and not that side.
Very possible.
Actually, I didn't even look at the other side. I'm just talking shit.
Don't matter.
That's
Oh, the
what-
cables are down there.
The good news is that it doesn't actually. There's a foot of door missing. So.
Oh, here, wait. Do you want to stand on the front? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you figure you're adding at least my amount of weight with the core support, fenders, hood,
Yep.
everything. Plus, if it goes down another inch, like it should,
Yeah.
we should be there.
Yeah, the wheel will be tucking pretty good.
Yep.
And the fender's not really hung properly. There's only 1 bolt holding it in. Anyway, as you can see, we've got our motor mounts in on both sides. There's still modification to do to the passenger side, but technically it's all hooked up. And we're like 1/4 inch away with the drive shaft in the rear end.
Yeah, also I shoved a coil pack right to the AC shit.
Yep. Yeah, it was something.
I thought it'd break the coil pack. It went right through. I was like, oh man.
The same since we cut the...
No, it was definitely done. Oh gosh, it's all dark.
We've only got a very little bit of electricity.
Sorry.
Just saying.
Here you go. It's recording.
So,
we found the problem.
yep. Well, one of them. Faux show. I'm gonna try this. It's not gonna work, but that, you see how there's like one oval hole and one good looking hole? You know it's late.
Yeah.
That's a body mount.
Stick it in the oval hole.
Twisted in between the frame and the channel for the frame. So we're probably gonna lift the body back up and try to unscrew that up.
Yeah.
Then we'll see how it looks.
Yeah, the old body mount went sideways.
So we fixed the body mount, got it back down on the ground. It is a bit lower, but there's still something holding us up. Thank you for watching the continued build of the LS all-wheel drive manual transmission 84 Monte Carlo SS. If it sounds like we're tired, it's because we are.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired.
Alright, we'll see you guys in the next episode. Hopefully we'll get the whole floor cut out and drop the body down.
Yeah.